Today, you will learn how to overlay images in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, insert 2 or more images into your Word document. You can do this by going to the Insert tab, clicking Pictures, and selecting your images from your computer. After inserting, you will notice that when you try to drag one image over another, the second image moves away automatically. Word is trying to keep both images separate because of the default layout setting called Inline with Text. This setting treats the image like a word in a sentence, so it cannot float freely on the page. To overlap images, we must change this setting. Click on the first image. You will see a small Layout Options icon appear near the image. Click that icon. You will see several text wrapping options. If it says Inline with Text, this is the reason you cannot overlap images. Change this to Square, Tight, Through, or any other option except Inline with Text. You can also do the same thing by selecting the image, going to the Picture Format tab at the top, clicking Wrap Text, and choosing Square or Tight. Another way is to right-click the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose Square. All three methods do the same thing. Now the image can move freely on the page. Repeat this same step for the second image and for every image you want to place on top of another. This is very important. If even one image is still set to Inline with Text, overlapping will not work properly. Now comes the most important hidden setting that many people miss. Even after changing the Wrap Text option, sometimes Word still does not allow images to sit on top of each other. This is because the Allow Overlap feature is turned off by default. You must enable it manually for each image. Select the first image again. Click the Layout Options icon and choose See More at the bottom. Another way is to go to the Picture Format tab, click Position, and then choose More Layout Options. A new window will open. Make sure you are on the Position tab. At the bottom of this window, you will see a checkbox that says Allow Overlap. Check this box and click OK. Now do the same thing for the second image and every image you want to place on top of another. This step is the key to making overlay work perfectly. After enabling this option for all images, simply click and drag one image over the other. Now Word will allow them to overlap without pushing each other away. You can place them exactly where you want. If you want one image to appear on top of another, right-click the image and choose Bring to Front or Bring Forward. If you want an image to go behind, right-click and choose Send to Back or Send Backward. You can also find these options in the Picture Format tab. This helps you control which image is visible on top when they overlap. If this video helped you understand how to overlay images in Word, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.